Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can turn on and off your silent mode on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So you guys have to remember, if you're using an iPhone with a ring or silent switch like anything before the iPhone 15 Pro, it's really super simple. All you have to do is flip the switch on the left side of your phone, which is just above the volume button right here. And in here, all you have to do is switch this button down like this. And here you can see your silent mode is now turned on. In here, you will now see orange. That means your silent mode is on. And like previous, there's also shown a silent mode is turned on your screen. So if you flip the switch again like this, you can see your silent mode is now turned off. And like this, you can turn off and on your silent mode on your iPhone. But if you're using an iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max or any of the iPhone 16 series, that switch is now actually an action button. By default, the action switch will work just like the classic silent switch, and just, you can simply just switch on like this, and the silent mode will turn on, and switch off like this, and the silent mode will turn off. But the cool part is you can actually customize the action button to do other things like, open the camera or turn on the flashlight or even run a shortcut. You just have to go to the settings of your phone and do that. But again, by default, it works exactly like the old silent switch on your phone. And like this, you can turn on and off your silent mode on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.